Hello friends, in this video I will show how to enable maintenance mode in your WordPress website. So install this plugin maintenance, great looking maintenance coming soon, and on the construction pages put your website under maintenance in a minute. So just you have to activate, and after activation click on settings. There are some settings you can customize as you need, like page title, site is undergoing maintenance, SEO options, it's a paid feature, headline, description, footer text, and there are some more options. Show some love, show a smile link in the footer to let others know you are using this awesome and free plugin. So click on save changes. So download and install, and here you will see some settings. Customize settings as you need. There are so much options. So try this plugin and comment what's your experience with this plugin. Hopefully guys you like this plugin, because there are so much active installation for this plugin. So please share, like, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.